If you watch my Midjourney video, then you know how simple it is to generate images using an AI. But what if I told you there is a website that can help you out with the specific prompts for Midjourney? Yes, there is a website. It's super simple to use, and I'll go over it right now, and I'll show you how to actually use it. So let's get right into it. Right, so this website is called MJ Prompts. So Midjourney Prompt Tool. I'll link it down in the description below as well. And as you can see over here, these are the default prompts. So for you to use Midjourney, you have to type /imagine and then the prompt. And over here, you can use this to help you out with the specific prompt. So you have the styles. You can choose a specific style going from 16-bit to ancient to anime to whatever you would like. So for example, let's choose anime over here, and then you can choose how much you would actually like to use this. So I want to keep it on 1, and then you can choose the lighting, for example. I don't know, over here, I want to use something like fluorescent, and I'll choose continue. So every time we choose some specific prompt, it will add it to this command that then we will use in Discord to generate this AI image. So, have the cameras, you have specific filters, so many different things you can add. For example, 360 panorama, you have the DSLR, you have the ultra wide angle lens, for example, whatever you want. On this one, I'm not gonna touch anything. There's also artists. You can use specific art from specific people as some kind of an inspiration as well. So if you like someone a lot and you want to use, you want to generate an image that is like them, you can choose the specific person, like for example, Leonardo da Vinci, and you can have the image be an inspiration from him. You have the colors, material, size, everything and anything. On the size, you can also choose the aspect ratio. You can have 1:2, 2:1, big images, small images, all of that. We'll keep it default for this. And then materials, I don't want to change anything, but you can go with magma, quartz, plastic, paper even. There's so many different things you can do over here. It is kind of insane. For quality, I want to go with the more detailed, but 2 times slower. That's fine. And then that's pretty much it. And for the main idea, I want to go with something like a blonde girl with blue eyes. I don't know, staring into the sunset, for example. And then we click the copy prompt button, and now it copies the prompt to our clipboard. And now we go to Discord and we paste it and we make this specific art. Let's see what we generate. All right, so now that we are in the Discord over here, I have this Midjourney bot set to my server so I don't have to go to the public server with a million people. We're gonna paste this prompt right here. Imagine prompt, blonde girl with blue eyes, staring into the sunset, anime fluorescent, V4, quality 2, and let's check what we actually get. So we wait it out, and let's see what we get.
A few moments later.
And the AI has finished generating our image. This looks pretty damn cool. Wow, this is actually really good. I like this a lot. Like for example, the first one is really nice with this like fiery sunset behind kind of background. The second one is beautiful. I like this blue over here as well. But my favorite would definitely be the fourth one. Wow, look at those eyes. Look at the details under the eye. The hair, everything is perfect and I love it. So let's use this and let's upscale 1 and upscale 4. So you upscale 1 first, and then we're gonna upscale 4. And as you can see, this helped us make this beautiful image by just going in and clicking a few buttons. Normally, you'd have to do this all manually by, thinking of different words, typing them into the prompt. But with this prompt helper, it saves you so much time and effort thinking of different words and styles. You can just simply click the button and it will do it all for you. Right, so let's do another example right here. We're gonna remove anime and we're gonna go with cartoon now. So let's choose cartoon. We can make it 2 over here as well. So let's choose 2 on the cartoon. Let's choose the lighting for, let's not make it fluorescent. Let's make it, we can make it glowing. I think glowing would be pretty cool as well. So let's make it glowing, and we can have the 2 times more detailed with 2 times slower render. That's totally fine with us. The colors can be also changed. Let's add something like, magenta is nice, but I'm thinking something like neon red or neon purple. Even pastel could be good. Let's try pastel. Let's do pastel on this. Version 4 default, that's good. Everything else we're gonna leave default. Right, so let's go with the second prompt. Brunette girl with braids, dark eyes, and tattoos. Let's see what we're gonna get from this prompt right here. So we're gonna copy this prompt, we're gonna go into our Discord, and we're gonna see what we get. So we go into our Discord, we paste this prompt, and let's see what AI or what Midjourney is going to create for us. While we're waiting for us to be created, let's see what we got from these upscaled images. As you can see, these are looking fantastic. Look at all these details into the eyes, the mouth, this background, like I said, is like fire, gradient, orange, yellow background. And on the second image, we have this like blue and yellow orange with these beautiful blue eyes, you know, the eyebrows and all of that looking fantastic. I love this. Right, so while we waited, it created the second prompt for us right here. That was pretty fast as well. So we have 4 images. Like we said, you know, dark hair, dark eyes, and tattoos, but I don't really see the tattoos well, so I don't think it really did a great job with that. But I still love the third image. Looks very nice with this like face car, whatever, and this like hair. Almost looks like flowers in the hair, like leaves, but it's just like orange paint. Even the fourth one looks very, very nice. So let's use the V3 for us to make variations of the third image. So now it's going to make variations of this exact image, but just the third one with the same exact prompt. Let's go. And we got the variations of the third image right here. So it changed some stuff on the face right here. We see some more scars. We see some something over here under the eyes. But I do like the one that we got from before the most, to be honest. Even the fourth one looks pretty good over here as well. I'm still gonna go with this one, as this one looks like the most kind of realistic. So if we want to upscale that, we simply click upscale 3 and we download the image. That's how you can use the Midjourney prompt tool to save yourself time and effort creating these amazing AI images. If you guys did like the video, make sure to drop a like, comment down below what you think of this. Are you gonna be using this? And subscribe for more content like this. If you haven't already seen my Midjourney beginner guide, check this video right here to learn how to do that as well. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.